see a vacuum cleaner which is made from simple things. One simple motor is attached with this motor. This motor you can get it from toys, toy cars. You can get the motor. I have attached the motor in the mouth of the bottle. Now this is a PVC pipe and I attach one nozzle on it with a small pipe, and here is a net which block the garbage which is sucked in it. When you attach this pipe with the nozzle and attach this motor out here, our vacuum cleaner is ready. Let me see how it works. And that's how we can make a simple vacuum cleaner. Thank you.